Now, with the uncertainty surrounding the passage of the extension of the state of public emergency in the Senate, party promoters in Westmoreland are particularly concerned about their earnings ahead of the Christmas season. Anthony Lugg has their story.
Negril, Westmoreland, though under a state of emergency, has been buzzing with activities. The winter tourist season is fast approaching, and some party promoters and business operators in that area are wondering if things will change.
For special regulations that will accommodate the thousands of tourists that are in Negril at any given point in time, I would look forward to seeing what the new regulations are going to be.
While events are being allowed in Negril, it's understood that some communities in the parish are having challenges hosting their events. One such community is Russia in Savlamar.
We have to keep the party to make things going on, fully active. I understand nothing now going on right now in our community. Okay, so we want the government to just free up.
I best time to keep a party right now, because I don't believe in nothing would go on wrong. In the meantime, because the soldiers them want to protect my party, police them want to pass through, so everything all right, no problem. Something.
Russia has been on the police's radar for some time due to an ongoing gang feud. The residents, however, are insisting the area has been calm.
I'm not shooting now, nothing now going in the community. The community are run right. And we like how the soldiers in there in our community, everything are run smooth.
It's hoped that the enhanced security measure will restore some level of law and order in sections of the parish which have been under siege by gunmen. The government yesterday used its majority in the House of Representatives to approve the extension of the SOE. The matter will now go to the Senate, where they'll need a 2/3 majority for the resolution to be passed. If approved by both houses of Parliament, the SOEs will remain in place until January 14.
Crime is an issue, and we appreciate the government's action towards mitigating this issue. And we would also like to see, more consideration for business owners and for the entertainment industry here in Negril.
Do something for we. Just think about we in a little secret here as we because remember, a partner we are true. And we are trying to make the best out of our ability to make it happen because we are pitting our school same and our bills are there with.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Still to come this evening, health official in St. Catherine raises concern about the state of Spanish Town.